Okay, everybody, this is the second video of the Python playlist, and in this video we are just going to set up our workspace. It means we are just going to install Python, and we are just going to install VS Code and the Python extension inside that. So we are all set to write our codes, okay? And we will just run our first hello world code right now, okay? So let's dive deep in and let's go. So here we are on the Google search engine, okay? And here, simple, I'm going to search for Python, and yeah, Python download, okay? And the first website that is there, just I'm going to open that, and we have just gotten download Python install manager, okay? So I'm just going to download this, and we're just going to have our download started here, okay? So it's going to take some time. So because most of the things here we will do will just take time, I will pause the video and play again, okay? So that is it. Okay, now that our download is just completed here, I'm going to click on that to open it, and we are just going to have our Python installer here, okay? So here, yeah, the first thing that is just very easy, okay? We have to get install Python, okay? And that is just kind of installed. Why we are okay, and yes, add commands directly to your path now. So it is just setting the path, so Windows knows where to find the related files of Python. Okay, so again, yes, and okay, install C Python now. Yes. So we have to just kind of so here we have gotten our Python installed, okay? That is just our shell, and I can write anything here, okay? 45 plus 8. Okay, so that is our result, okay? And we have just gotten our Python there. Also, just let's open another CMD and check here Python, okay? Okay, so it has given us the version, so Python is completely installed and we are ready to go with Python. The next thing that we need to do is to check for VS Code, okay, and install VS Code. Let's do that. Okay, now again we are on the Google search engine, and we are just going to search here the same VS Code, okay, VS Code download. And here as well we have gotten the first website there, and for Windows, okay? So yeah, you have to just click there, and it has started downloading right now, okay? And that is just going to take some time, so I'm going to pause the video right now, then we will come back after it is downloaded. Okay, now as you can see, the download is just done. Simple click on that, okay? So yeah, we can have okay, then I accept the agreement, okay? The installation is started. That is the location our VS Code will be installed. Do not change that, okay? Next, and we have gotten don't create the start new folder, so we just, yeah, and next. If you just like them, you can add them, okay? That will just simply give you some options to open VS Code easier, okay? So we can have next and install. So it is installing right now. It might take some time. So overall, this is quite straightforward, okay? You will download the Python, and that is very easy. You will just simply do a Google search. You will install Python, and after that you will just have to download VS Code. That is also with a simple Google search, and install that, okay? So it might take some time. I'm just gonna pause the video again, and we'll come back after it is done. Okay, now as you can see, we have gotten launch Visual Studio Code ticked. Okay, so if I click finish, automatically Visual Studio will open. If I just uncheck that, then I'll have to just open that manually. Okay, so that is not so difficult. We will just click here finish. Okay, so the VS Code will open right now. So continue with GitHub. If you just like to do that, you can just do that right now. Just simply will close that, okay? Then the next thing that you want to do as VS Code can be just used with many languages. In order to just be able to work with Python, you need to install the Python related extensions, okay? So simple here, I will go and I'll just look, okay? I'll just click on the extensions. Here I'll just search Python. And here I've gotten Python debugger, things like that. The first one, okay, Python. Click on install, and it'll be just installing, okay. Again, it might take some time. Okay, as you can see, it is installed. So that's it. Okay, we will just go back to the Explorer part. Okay, this is an Explorer inside the VS Code that you can just simply add your project folder inside it, and all the files of that folder can be just viewed here, and you can create new folders and things like that. Okay, so here you have not yet opened any folder, so we do not have any folder open yet. Okay, if I just want to open a folder, I can click the here open folder, and from my computer I can just select any folder, okay, to create my files. So simple here, I will go and I'll just create a new folder by the name of Python. Okay, I already have that, so just that's all right. Okay, you can just rename that to anything you want, and just select folder. Okay, so here you just got the folder. Yeah, I trust the author, the person, the owner of that folder. And inside this now, yeah, you can create new folders inside of that folder. This is just directly controlling the same folder. Okay, if you create a folder here inside Windows as well, a folder will be created inside that. Okay, or you can just simply create a new file. Okay, so working with Python, we have to create a new file, and we can just name that anything. Okay, so I'll write here hello. Okay, or first. But yeah, you have to add .py here, okay, .py. So VS Code can understand, yeah, this is a Python file, okay. Any Python file should have the extension .py, okay. I'll just simply run that there, save that there, and here just, yeah, I can write my code. So the first thing here we are just going to do, that is print hello world. That is a simple a Python code or a Python command. If you do not know that right now, no problem. We will be studying them in full detail, but right now just, yeah, we have to check that, yeah, our VS Code is installed, our Python is installed. And now if I just run Python from here, or if I just right click and run Python in terminal, both of them will just kind of do the same thing. Okay, so run, and as you can see here, yeah, I can see the hello that I have just written there, or for example, hello world, then run that. Yeah, we have just gotten hello world. So that easy. We just set our workspace up, and we are ready to learn Python. Okay, so see you in the next video with our great journey to learn Python. Okay, wish you all the best. Stay enthusiastic. Goodbye for now.